There's this great PDF that I just created, which is called Structured Conversations. It's free, you can download it, the link is somewhere here right now. And essentially what it comes down to, what I've discovered in being in these workshops and working with individuals and groups, you know, one of the biggest things that people face in relating is around communication. I don't feel heard, I don't feel seen, I'm having a hard time getting my point across, you know, or I don't know how to communicate, I freeze, I get angry, I get activated, you know, all sorts of things, or they're projecting on me, or they're judging me, or I feel judged, and all sorts of things that can show up in the way we communicate with another and the way they communicate with us. And this PDF that I created, which is really specific in how to have a structured conversation, just to support connection, just in a way to kind of, you know, break out of the usual constructs and the usual sort of patterns we have in how we communicate with another, whether it's a loved one, a family member, or a colleague, a friend, where we can sit down and we can really communicate, we can get to sort of deeper level issues, you know, and not get stuck at that conflict level only, and then even maybe feel a sense of that person's really hearing me, yeah, that I feel really heard in this. So both have that experience. It's a beautiful, simple way to communicate with another. And a lot is in there where you can read about and sort of how the structure goes. Very simple, but yet very effective. So maybe if you'd like to download it somewhere here, I don't know where the link is, and then just enjoy it, you know, and find new ways in how we can deepen our way of communicating.